Hey, what's up, you guys? It is me, your favorite girl, Stephanie Shanell, and welcome back to my channel. If you don't know, my name is Stephanie Shanell, and I am the creator and founder of Stephanie's Touch Natural Skin Creations. Over there, we sell body oils, body butters, which we don't have right now. However, a replacement is coming. Let me pop up a little picture right here, a little video right here. Y'all, we are making handmade, all-natural body creams, and they are coming to you very soon because I was thinking about it. I make these scrubs. My scrubs contain my handmade body cream mixture, and that's what I use to make my scrubs as like the base for my scrubs. And I'm like, if I can make the cream for the scrub, why not just make the cream for your skin? So y'all, it's coming. All right, I enjoy this formula very much so, and I can't wait to get it out for you guys to try. Now, today's video is actually from our favorite girl. Maybe she is, maybe she isn't. Zara. Y'all, I was lurking on Zara's website, and like I normally do, I just happened to stumble in the checkout. Like, I stumbled. I didn't even mean to like check out, but I did. But when I went on their website, y'all know these boxes. I'm trying to figure out what is it that Zara be doing when it comes to these boxes. Like, how are we supposed to just know how to open this? It looks like this on the inside. Okay, but I went on there, and y'all, they had something on there, and I could not pass it up. This is all this tissue paper. Girl, this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh. As you can see, I paid $22.90 US. So this is the Concrete, a fragrance by Susie LaHaye. Girl, Susie LaHaye. This box is everything, but y'all, this is in the men's section. All right, this is in the men's section. I'm still trying to figure out why. I guess we're gonna figure that out pretty soon when we open this. But this is a body oil. I think this is a dry oil. It doesn't say dry oil, so maybe, I don't know. But this is the Concrete one. They have like all different ones. I'll have them running somewhere on the side of the video while I talk to you guys for a second about why I stumbled. Well, not about why, but I did stumble on the website. And right after that, I ran to my girl Coco Pebs because I was like, sis, they got some new stuff. And you know, I don't care about the gender of the store, about the fragrance, the product. If it's a men's cologne and it smells good, I'm finna get that. Like, you feel me? I'm finna get that. I'm gonna wear that, and I'm gonna put that ish on. So I have a lot. Well, not a lot, but I have a few fragrances from Zara that are in the men's section, but I put that junk on, right? So when I saw this, I was like, because I've been in like a good girl Oriana phase lately. I've been wearing something that I made for myself, very much so. Like, I've been wearing it all the time and layering it with a Zara fragrance, Velvet Shadows, which smells like Oriana, Love Don't Be Shy, however you're vibing. So this Concrete body oil, I said all that because look at the notes on the back. Orange Blossom Absolute, Marshmallow Accord, and Vanilla Extract. Oriana, that's you, right? Oh, okay. Okay. So y'all, without further ado, let's open this joint. Is there tape on both sides? Ta-da! Oh, this actually is gorgeous. Oh, it's like taped on the bottom. Love that, so it doesn't like flop around during shipping. It's got like that little sticky thing at the bottom, like a little sticky tab. Oh my goodness. So it just sits inside here like this. And then, you guys, is this like actually concrete? Y'all, no, because Zara is doing a thing. Look. That is so amazing. They have a marble one. Now I want to get it. just because look. Oh, I can't wait for payday because I'm about to get one. So it has it again, Concrete Body Oil, a fragrance by Susie LaHaye. And then it has Orange Blossom Absolute, Marshmallow Accord, and Vanilla Extract. Y'all, we're about to get into the sniffer of this. This is so, oh, this is so nice. Okay, I don't smell it. Okay, wait. Okay, let's smell. Let's see. This feels so luxurious. What the heck? Okay. Let's see. It's a nice oil. Yes. Yes. It's very light. It's very, very light. But why was this in the men's section? I don't know. But this, it's like a, this is not a dry oil, but it's also not, I don't know. This feels good. I feel like they know. Oh, it had stuff on here. Oh, it leaked off. Okay, so the bottle, I thought the bottle was just very minimal. But looking at the bottle, it looks like there was actually, it looked like it said body oil and whatever else. It looked like it said whatever is on here on this part as well. But it's not there anymore unless this was like a misprint. It's not there anymore. But my bottle, it just looks very minimalistic. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm talking about, like right there. It looked like there was words there, but it came off. It didn't feel like anything spilled. I couldn't like smell anything on the bottle, but this is nice. Wait a minute, I really like this. And it feels good. And it smells, wouldn't you know it? Okay, the notes don't be lying. The notes don't lie. When it comes to the men's section, the notes don't lie. Zara's notes be lying sometimes. But in the men's section, the notes are not lying. This is giving Oriana. Love, Don't Be Shy, Oriana type of situation. It's very light, although it is a very light scent, but it very much so is that. Now, I really do want to get the marble because I feel like the marble one is the one that has like a cacao note. And I'm really interested in smelling that. But I don't need any more oils. But look, do you guys see that? That is so cool. Super innovative. I really enjoy this. And the cap. I mean, it's not like, I don't think. It can't be real concrete, right? It's light. Like, it can't be real. I don't know what the heck this is. How about that? But it's like, it's light. But this is so cool. Yeah, out of the bottle, you don't really smell anything. I do wish that they had one of those, like, stopper things, like, that go inside of this orifice part. To, like, stop it. Kind of like Brown Sugar Babe does. But, I mean, hey, it is what it is. Y'all, this is actually so cute. I don't love the whole, like, dropping of the oil. I don't love this part. I don't like that too much, but it is a men's thing. This is silky. Okay, maybe it is a dry oil. Maybe it just didn't feel like it because I had that Fenty thing here. Oh, no. This is nice. It's like it's giving this Oriana Love Don't Be Shy type of vibe, but it's not as sweet. It's not strong at all. It's very subtle. I kind of understand why it would be in the men's section, right? I kind of get that. But baby, this is like, this is the little sister of it. So I wonder now, do they have like the body mists, or I mean the perfume or cologne or whatever to match this in the men's section? If you like Oriana, if you like Love Don't Be Shy, if you're not tired of that DNA yet, I'm not, okay? I have my moments where I'm like, ugh, but it's getting warmer out. And I love this in the warmer weather because it's so, oh, it's like not hot. It's not summertime. It's not like hot, 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 but we have our moments of like cool breeze. It's warm. Perfect. This is perfect. And look, it's like moisturizing, but it's not heavy at all. This is actually so silky. I'm assuming this is the dry oil. I am not a fan of, look at those elbows. Y'all, I am like, look, rough. And then look, oh my gosh. I'm not a fan of dry oils because they normally don't feel moisturizing to my skin. I don't know if this is because I thoroughly moisturized myself, you know, before making this video, and then I added this on top. I don't know, but this is good. Like, y'all, this I should put her up here. She's good. Let me let y'all see her one more time. Look at that. Okay. Yeah. Zara did a big one with that. Shout out to Zara. Yeah, I'm good. I love this. You should try it out. I don't have anything else to say. I'm going to talk in circles. That's good. Check that out. If you don't want to check them out, girl, check out Stephanie's Touch. Check us both out. How about that? Check out Stephanie's Touch. You get 25% off your entire order. And flat rate shipping. It's $8 shipping. I know it sounds like a lot. However, if you place an order of $75 or more, shipping is free. So, check these out, y'all. Stephanie's Touch, Zara. Y'all, I have to get up off of here. I hope you enjoyed this video. This was the most unhinged video that I'm ever going to post, but I'm going to post it because that is fire. I love you all so very much, and I will see you in the next one.